Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Relume. Figma is a comprehensive design tool for user interface and user experience, offering powerful prototyping and collaborative features. Relume, on the other hand, is a specialized Webflow component library designed to accelerate website development. We will explore their distinct functionalities, ideal applications, and help you determine which tool best suits your project requirements. Let's dive into their core differences. Figma shines as a collaborative powerhouse, enabling multiple designers to work together in real time on a single file. Its robust prototyping capabilities allow for creating highly interactive user flows and animations, bringing designs to life. With a vast plugin ecosystem, Figma's functionality can be extended for almost any design task, making it incredibly versatile for everything from initial wireframes to polished, high-fidelity mockups. It's a complete design solution. Relume is a game-changer for Webflow development, offering a massive library of over 1,000 pre-built, responsive components and sections. This significantly streamlines the design and development process, potentially saving dozens of hours on each project. By providing a consistent design system, Relume helps maintain brand integrity and ensures a cohesive user experience across your entire website. It's the perfect tool for efficiently building professional Webflow sites. Ultimately, the choice between Figma and Relume depends on your specific needs. If you require a versatile, collaborative tool for comprehensive UI/UX design and prototyping, Figma is your go-to. However, if your focus is rapid, efficient Webflow website development using pre-designed components, Relume is invaluable. Many designers leverage both, using Figma for initial concepts and Relume for Webflow implementation. Consider your project scope to make the best decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.